What's up, y'all? This is iKid Steve-O back at it again with another video because, you know, I'm feeling real groovy today. But anyways, man, I am getting a window tint did. I mean, not window tint. I meant to say tail light tint and my side markers tinted. Now, I already ordered the kit offline, all that. I have it already. So now, I just have to have my boy install it. So anyways, I'm going to catch y'all when I get there. What's up, y'all? Hey, we are here at the place, man. I'm finally getting the tent installed or whatever.
Stamina beans. Purchase your track today. Stamina beans.
I wish I could wash it for you right now.
Right, just to show how good it really looked, clean. Hell yeah. Man, this the results of that baby, man. Y'all see that? Ooh, look at that baby. No cap. Look at that baby. That baby looking a lot better. No cap. No kids. That baby looking a lot better, y'all. Yeah, man.
It looks good.
Ooh, no cap.
You needed to do this.
Yeah. That's the results, y'all. Hope y'all like it. I like it. It looks good, man. Put a different look to my car. It definitely brings it out a lot more. Yeah, man, I hope y'all like it, man. I know what the Challenger, man, this baby hard, man. I ain't gonna lie, this bad baby hard, man. See this? Shout out to him, y'all see his tube, man.
Because of the quad tips I have.
Right. Yeah, gang, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I mean, it looks excellent. I love this, man. But yeah, see y'all in the next video, though.